Okay, let's total up the damage. Now we have all 6 pistons out and on the floor here. So number 1, we know it was missing a cap. Number 1 has also got a stuck compression ring at the top. Number 2, doesn't look so bad, except for the fact the rings weren't lined up properly. Look at the gaps. Gap, gap. Oil control rings. Oil control rings on every single piston were done incorrectly. See that? Look how close they are. No offset. Number 3's got a broken firing ring at the top. You can see, oh, there's the piece of it laying right there on the floor. Number 4 doesn't look so horrible except for the incorrect spacing on the oil control rings. Number 5, well, number 5 is suffering the same catastrophic failure that number 1 suffered. Let's keep going here. Number 6, let's see. Oh, look how poorly spaced the gaps are in those rings. Those ones are actually, there's an air gap between them, and that one is not very far off. This is just terrible workmanship. Unbelievable that somebody would put this engine back together like this. And the other thing I've noticed is some of the oil control rings, there's little springs in behind, and the tabs are supposed to be pointing up on the fingers, and some are pointing down. So no wonder this engine didn't last, and we're going to get it all fixed up.